Well, what is up, everybody? To this weekend, we are headed to Leavenworth to hike the Enchantments. It's the whole 18 miles from Kolchak Trailhead to Snow Lake Trailhead. The larches are out, which is going to be amazing. It's going to be super cool. We are going up with Ben, Adrian, and Boris this weekend. It's going to be a great time. We're headed to Leavenworth right now. I'm just packing up the bags and getting everything ready. All right, so we just got into Leavenworth and we're going to Icicle Brewing right now. Have a couple of beer too, and then meet up with Boris. He's just coming over from Spokane right now. And yeah, it's gonna be good. We are just made it to the hotel room and met up with Boris. It's 8 o'clock. We have to be awake at 3 around. I guess we'll catch up to you guys bright and early in the morning at 3 o'clock. Not very long until we are on the trail. Desk.
I want some sweets for the morning.
You got the table?
Well, we're about half mile or maybe 2 miles away from Kolchak. This morning, started off, woke up at 3 o'clock. Was on the road by 3:45, got to the trailhead with a bunch of freaking people at about 4:30.
We're pretty much just walking up by 5 right now.
Yeah, there's like a ton of people. It's insane, but the views are pretty sweet. And I understand why there's a lot of people out here, but they should just go back home. Well, we made it to Kolchak Lake, and we have Asgard Pass to go. There's a huge line of people that are going up the pass right now, so we are just gonna take our time enjoy the views, and eventually get up there. I think that we're for sure gonna be walking out in the dark. Traversing Kolchak Lake right now, halfway around probably, and then we're gonna hit Asgard Pass, climb a mere 2,000 feet to the top. About, I'd say, an eighth of the way up Asgard Pass right now. We are just taking our time going up, and it's about 5 hours and 15 minutes into our hike, which is about where we thought we were going to be at this point. Had to be a little slow for Boris, which is totally fine. We are just hanging out and not sweating very much, which has been pretty freaking cool and nice. Yeah, there's a ton of people coming up. It's actually kind of nuts how many people are coming up. Yeah, we're not very tired. And we thought we were gonna be super tired at this point. And we're pretty much chilling.
Taking it easy.
Taking it easy, taking it one step at a time.
Couldn't feel
Shooting
better.
the shit, being your village idiots.
Yeah.
On trail entertainment, free to join.
We've gotten shout outs on our mellies about, I don't know, 8 times. So we're actually pretty sick. We're pretty cool.
Apparently.
What?
Say what you just said about the elevation.
The fact that last, like,
No. Just it's a 3-letter sentence.
it's 200 more feet from here.
No. Fucking say it, Devin.
What?
Say you were wrong.
No,
You were though.
I was not wrong.
Ben, was he wrong?
No.
How wrong was he?
The key is that he says, I didn't know, but he said, oh, it's only 200 more feet. What could possibly go wrong?
No, because Boris told me 7,200 feet, so then I said we're at 7,000 feet right now, so that's 200 more feet. But in reality, Boris was wrong, and it's at 7,400 feet.
So it's not his fault.
All I gotta say is this is way more fun when there's snow. Now we can't go down fast. We still have 13 miles. And it's 1 o'clock. Peace.
So we've got to the top of Asgard Pass. We are sitting by a lake. I just filtered a little bit of water, and we're waiting for Boris and Adrian to show up here in the next couple minutes and then continue our hike. Ben still has his longest hike ever in front of him. Not to mention the stuff behind him, but I think Boris is really tired, and I'm really tired too. Feeling the energy loss for sure, but I think the views are gonna make up for it. We are gonna start headed down. We are sore, tired, and in need of sleep and sunlight. It's gonna be gone in a good 3 hours. We have 12 miles to go, so pretty much no way that we don't get to walk out of here in the dark. So let's start walking that way. well. Safe travels.
For sure.
So we're about 8 miles from the car, 8 or 9 miles from the car. Adrian's gonna probably correct me a little bit.
It's at least 9.5 miles.
But we're at a beautiful lake right now. I don't know the name of it. We're fishing and having a great time. I absolutely love fall in Washington. It is a place to be. Hopefully we make it before dark. It's probably pretty likely we're not gonna make it before dark. So headlights or headlamps are gonna be a necessity.
Get a set.
Well, this is officially one of the most beautiful places I have ever been. Sunrise or sunset with golden larches out. And there's like nothing you can absolutely beat it. So the sun is setting right now a lot quicker than what we want it to, but it's been one hell of an evening and an afternoon. Let's just get back to the car. We got like 7 miles until the car, which means that darkness is upon us. And we just kind of want to get straight and narrow all the way through Snow Lake and then to the car. So I'm going to end the vlog right now. And so if you want to subscribe to my channel to follow along on the weekly adventures of Devin Duval, then go right ahead, like this video, and I guess I'll see you guys out in the trails and I'll catch you on the next one.